Alright, shut up and listen. Stop drawing trash lines. I know your lines are trash. They look like chicken walking on paper. So stop doing that. Stop doing this shit. You don't want to do this while drawing lines, okay? Or while drawing anything. One simple stroke is enough, okay? Just one stroke. Boom, boom. That's it. I know most beginner artists make this mistake. They are not so confident in drawing lines, okay? Their hands shake. But there are a few exercises which I would recommend to instantly level up your line confidence, and within a short period of time, maybe a week or so, your line confidence will be over the roof. You will be drawing really confident lines. Alright, first up is draw with just one stroke. That's it. Or this. That's it. You don't want to do something like this. No, just one stroke. You can add another line to that same line if you want to. Some artists do that, especially those comic artists. So something like this. 1, 2. Okay. This creates a thickness of line or a line stylization. 1, 2. That's it. Second one, draw without lifting your pencil. So let's say if you want to draw a cube or a box, okay, you can force yourself to draw it without lifting your pencil. That's it. A circle, perhaps, a triangle, then any other shape that you want to, an oval. And you can also draw bigger drawings without lifting a pencil. Something like this. Let's say if you want to draw a face, okay, so that's it. This is a bad example, but you get the point. Alright. Third point, draw with color. Okay, draw anything with color. That will boost your confidence. That will change your mentality of drawing only with black color or gray color. Okay, so any shape whatsoever that you want to draw with color. Something like this. Or let's say you want to draw a triangle. You can combine the lasso tool to draw with color, okay? Let's convert this into a hand, alright? Something like that, okay? This will boost your confidence. This will boost your ideation, okay? This will create new connections in your brain so that you can draw with confidence. Now these three are basic exercises, but there are also advanced exercises. Now these advanced exercises are kind of difficult. So the fourth one is draw without constructions and guides. So let's say if you want to draw a face, all right? So normally you would just simplify the face into the Loomis method or any other construction method that you want, something like this. But I would highly recommend you do this. That will train your brain into making less mistakes, okay? All right? Even something as simple as this, it is enough to boost your line confidence, to create that new connections, new nerve connections in your brain, so that the next time you draw lines, you do not do something like this with your lines. All right, you do not draw something like this. You don't do this. All right, No, stop doing that shit, okay? Do these exercises, okay? And it will hardly take like 5 minutes to draw, to do these exercises. And the last thing is use a brush to draw, okay? So you have seen all those inkers and comic artists and manga artists use a brush to draw, okay? And that is the most difficult thing to do. All right, so take an inking brush or any brush pen and you just draw a face of whatever you want to draw. Okay, so let's see. Something like that. Okay, I literally drew this character in front of you in real time. All right, and this is really difficult to do. Okay, you need a lot of practice for this, but if you are able to pull this exercise off, I guarantee you your lines will be really confident. Just shut down your brain and just draw lines with confidence, just one stroke, right? And that's it. Do all of these exercises and boost your line confidence. All right, now there are two of my favorite artists who have absolute crazy amount of line confidence. Okay, their lines are superb and awesome. Okay, first one is Leish. I have learned so much from her. Okay, I've learned so much from studying her art, especially her lines. Okay, so whenever you see my art, my lines are kind of like identical to hers. So look at this. Okay, she's drawing on the paper, but look at her lines, they are so confident. Okay, even when she's drawing just a construction. Okay, so look at her lines, look at her shapes. All right, so study from her art. Okay, learn from her art, learn her lines. Okay, how she does her lines. All right, so she's an awesome example of an artist to study from. All right, especially her lines, so study from her. Look at that, man. These lines are so confident. Okay, so they are so crisp, they are so confident. Absolutely delicious. The second of my favorite artists to learn line confidence from, who has crazy amounts of line confidence, who has crazy lines, is a comic artist by the name of Ryan Benjamin. Look at this. Look at his lines. They're so confident. They're so powerful. All right. And in this video, he teaches us how he works. He draws his lines.
Just inking one-to-one and just inking it like that. I want to add some flavor to it. So what I'll do is this. I'll take like that same shape that's there, and I'm going to improvise a little. So I'll probably play around with it like that. See, I change the line a little bit, and I'll maybe double up a little bit like this on the bottom line, and then I'll push it here, maybe curve it out a little bit, and then I'll probably close it out over here, something like that. So as you can see, this is just simple, and then just want to add a little more style to it. This is what inking does. Inking is, it's not just I'm just tracing the line. Just tracing the line is one thing, like this. This is really just tracing here. This is inking with style. Just adding a little more flavor, a little more beefing it up. if you have a line here, instead of you're just inking it one time, you might want to double up on it like that and create a tiny little pockets, little areas. Just let the line dance.
How awesome is that, man? Just draw a single line. You don't want to do this, all right? Just draw with confidence. Just draw with force. Learn from these artists. These artists have so much force in their lines, in their drawings. They have so much power in their lines. It's like the drawing is popping out on your face. So yeah, your drawing should pop out right out of the canvas. Remember that. All right, and that's it. Please subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.